What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. October 7th. Watching that 70 level. We dipped down below 62 this morning, popped back up. We're at 77. We will see. It's 84, 86 is really kind of my over under, but the range really is kind of this 04, 09 to 40. 46, 41. In between there is just kind of noise. So we've kind of come down. We've tested the 20s. We've tested the 20s. And then we're kind of in mid-range here. So I want to see a breakout north of that 09 or below that 40. Other than that, we're kind of bouncing in between. So we will see if we get something of substance. I've marked it here. These are my support resistance, and that's kind of where we're at. Pivot is 80. That's fine. I like the 84 area. That's kind of been the hold. S1's at 56. That's okay. 1692. These are okay today. Again, your 2-month POC is down at 5,700. That's that 0595 level I've been watching. So that S3 comes into play. 5819. I like that. That's the tip of the iceberg here. That's the 20 area. 44 and 83. Here's your daily, not telling us a whole lot other than this is a possible bull flag and we're just going to continue to head higher. I don't know anything that's really taking this market down, so we will see. But again, the sentiment that I'm getting is that everyone's overly bearish or bullish, which makes pause, right? That's 55.96 would be your next big volume, and then you have a gap here that gets us down into the trouble area. But again, as of now, there hasn't been much downward acceptance. Every dip has been bought. So I would assume that that will continue. We are down in the month. We opened the month at 809. So we will see if they get that back up or that 30 holds and we come back down. I didn't load the weekly. I apologize. It's going to be a second, so we'll move over here. Here's your SPX daily. I've got the 20 and the basically 75 area as a channel that we were in. We finally accepted over above the 20, and now we're here in between basically the high of 67 and 20, so that 40-point range. So I'd watch 20 as support. We get below that, I think that opens the door to 75, which is, of course, opens the door to 618, which covers this big cash gap from 74 to 18. But as of now, again, I'm not seeing anything terribly bearish. NVIDIA is up. Indexes are down, though. ES down 22, NASDAQ down 98, Dow down 170, and Russell down 6. Here's your euro, popped 12, held multiple times, came and then just screamed back down to basically 09.5. The retrace would almost be this 50-day, which would be the 108. So I'd look at that as resistance, but I'm not sure. I would expect the 110 to stay and then head back down. We get back below the 200-day at 109, then I think that there's going to be some issues. This is a big week in the currency area, so keep an eye out on that. I'm not sure how that will affect equities. It's been there's been kind of a divergence, but I would definitely keep my eye on that. Anyway, holding strong, I guess. So I don't know. I'm agnostic this morning. I'll see how this all plays out.